Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Revita Aprianti with NIM 202401000038 from class PGSD 24A. Here I will present the article that I am presenting as the main point. The influence of active learning strategies on elementary school student learning outcomes. Introduction. Primary school teachers play a strategic role in shaping the foundation of student education. Main challenge is conventional learning is less effective for the diverse needs of students. Innovation is needed in the interactive learning strategies. The study aims to explore the effectiveness of active learning strategies. The method is approach quantitative quasi-experimental. Subjects is 16 fourth grade students divided into experimental and control groups. Instruments 1. Learning outcome test, pretest, and post-test. 2. Observation sheet. 3. Learning certification questionnaire and analysis test to compare results between groups. Result active learning strategies improve student learning outcomes. The experimental group was more involved and enthusiastic during learning. Questionnaire data, students felt more motivated and satisfied. Active learning supports constructivist theory, learning to direct experience, limitation, short duration of the study. And last, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion 1. Active learning strategies are effective in improving student learning outcome. 2. Students are more involved and motivated. And suggestion 1. Further research with a longer duration is needed. 2. Widely applied in basic education. So, thank you.